Hello students, so today we are going to continue with the same exercise, okay, that is exercise 4.3, and in the last class we have done till question number 6, okay, so we'll start with question number 7. Now in question number 7 we have 73 meter equals to dash centimeter, so this means we have to convert this 73 meter into centimeter, okay. So now I hope you know the unit. First it is kilometer, hectometer, then decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and at last millimeter, okay. So now we are given in meter and we have to convert it into centimeter. So we are moving from left to right, okay, we are moving from left to right. So 73 meter equals to, since we are moving from left to right, we have to multiply, isn't it? So 73 into multiply with how much, how many steps we are moving, because we are moving from meter to centimeter, isn't it? One step, two step, that is 1 2 zeros, okay. So it has been converted into centimeter, so which will be equal to 73 into 100 is 7300 centimeter. So 73 meter is 7300 centimeter, okay. Now I'll do question number 8. So in question number 8 I have 0.75 kilometer equals to dash meter, okay. So here also we have to convert kilometer into meter, means we have to move from left to right, isn't it? So here also I have to multiply, isn't it? 0.75 into by how much? 1 2 3, since I am moving 3 steps, 3 zeros, meter equals to, now how much? 0.75 into 1000 is how much? 75. If you multiply, then you'll get 750 meter, okay. So it is 750 meter. So in this way you have to do, okay. So next I will do question number 9. In question number 9 I have 725 milliliter. I have to convert it into liter, okay. And now we know the series, right? The series is kilo. Since we have in liter, we have kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter, okay. And we are given in milliliter, and we have to convert it into liter. So milliliter to liter, I have to move from right to left, isn't it? Since I am moving from right to left, then I have to divide. So therefore 725 milliliter equals to 725 divided by how much? With how much? I am moving 1 2 and 3 steps, means 3 zeros after 1. So I have to divide by 1000, then it will be converted into liter, okay. So this is how much? 0.725 liter, okay. So in this way I'll do one more, that is question number 10, okay. Now in question number 10 I have 3 grams 20 milligram equals to dash milligram. So I have to convert 3 gram and 20 milligram into milligram only, okay. So here 3 gram 20 milligram means equals to 3 gram plus 20 milligram, okay. So now first this gram only I have to convert into milligram, because this is already in milligram, isn't it? So what is the series? Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, and milligram, okay. So now I have to convert only this part, because this is already in milligram, okay. I cannot add this too, because the units are different, that is why I have to convert it both into milligram. So now gram, if I am trying to convert into milligram, then what I have to do? I am moving from left to right, isn't it? That means I have to multiply, okay. Multiply with how much? 1 and 1 2 and 3 step, means 3 zeros. So now it has been converted into milligram plus 20 milligram. So it is how much? 3000, isn't it? 3000 milligram plus 20 milligram. So 3000 milligram plus 20 milligram will be 3020 milligram. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is how you have to do the sums, and you can do question number 11 and 12 as your homework from this exercise. Okay, now we'll move to the next exercise, that is exercise 4.4. okay, and in exercise 4.4 question number 1 we have the product of two decimal numbers is 131.58. okay, if one of them is 2.15 then find the other. So in this case what you have to do, so other number equals how much? Product by first number, isn't it? Because when we multiply two numbers we are getting 131.58, isn't it? So product is 131.58 and one of them is given, I have to find the other number. So implies equals to other number equals to how much? Product is how much? 131.58 divided by 2.15. okay, so what I have to do now, I have to first I will remove the decimal. okay, here we have 2 digits behind the decimal, here also 2 digits behind the decimal, so I can simply remove both, isn't it? Because equal numbers of digits are there after the decimal. So next what I have to do, now I have to divide this with 215. so 13158. so if you divide, then how many times will it go? It will go with maybe 5, isn't it? Or 6, maybe it's with 6. So 6 5s are 30, 0 3, 6 1s are 6, 9, 6 2s are 12. okay, so what is the remainder here then? The remainder will be from here 5, from here 11 minus 9 is 2, now here 8. So now it will go how many times? 2 times. So no, it's 1 time only, isn't it? 1. So 215 ones are 215. So what will come here then? 3 4. Now if I put 0 here, then what I will get? I have to put 0 here, isn't it? So I am putting decimal here, so I am getting 0 here. So 215 2s are 430, isn't it? So finally the remainder is 0. So therefore other number equals to how much? 61.2. okay, so this is the answer for question number 1. okay, so now we'll move to question number 2. So the price of 1 meter of cloth is 62.85. Find the price of 23 meters of cloth. okay, so what is given for question number 2? Price of 1 meter cloth equals how much? Rupees 62.85, and you have to find price of 23 meter cloth equals how much? It's very easy. I have to multiply this price with 23, because for 1 meter it is 62.85, and for 23 meter it will be 62.85 into 23, isn't it? So let me multiply 62.85 into 23. So 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 8s are 24, 25, carry over 2, 3 2s are 6, plus 2 8, 3 6s are 18. okay, so now here I have to put 0. Now I have to start. 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 8s are 16, plus 1 17, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 6 are 12. okay, now I have to add. okay, so if you add, then how much will you get here? 5 5, 8 plus 7 is 15, carry over 1, and 8 and 5 13, plus 1 is 14, carry over 1, and it will be 4 1. So where I have to put the decimal? Here we have 2 digits behind the decimal, isn't it? And here we don't have any decimal, so I have to put decimal in front of 2 digits, 1 2. So here, so what is the answer? Therefore price of 23 meter cloth is rupees 1445.55, isn't it? So this is the answer. Okay, so in similar way, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 are your homeworks. Okay, so question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 are your homework.